What's up guys, Too Steezy here. I'm gonna do another video that is heavily requested all the time, which is how to put a graphic on a deck. So if you have, like right here, I have this maple deck. I have this BlackRiver sticker that came with my BlackRiver ramp. What you can do to kind of line this up, like say if you want, like I want this on the board, you can line up the board, kind of line up, see where it'll go. Results may vary. And you're gonna waste a sticker too. I'm gonna try to salvage as much as I can. So go ahead and peel your sticker once you know where you want to put it. Hopefully we can peel this. Use your fingernails. Sticker peeled right there. Find your tail, which for us is this left side. Yeah, left side is the tail. Line them up, best you can line them up. Whoops. Okay, so line them up. Make sure it goes on there smooth. Make sure there's no bubbles. So you should have something like this. Then carefully, if you're a younger kid or something and you need an adult, use an adult. But otherwise, you're gonna get your razor and that's why I say carefully. If you need an adult, get an adult. You're gonna carefully cut around your graphic here, just like butter. And I usually go about a 45-degree angle. I think that's like the law of fingerboards for everything, like grip tape, graphics, whatever. You kind of want about a 45-degree angle. Follow it around. Without cutting the board up. Try to cut it all the way too, because if you pull on the sticker, you're gonna rip. Any progress you made, you're gonna rip it. And kind of do your, once you get this, you can either take a file or some sandpaper, but look how cool that is. Take a file or some sandpaper or something and clean up the edges. That's what I'm gonna do after this video, is I'm gonna kind of go right here and I'm gonna just kind of clean it up a little bit. And you can see it from the top. Anything that hangs over, you just trim it off. Just give it a little trim. Kind of like that. Just kind of trim it up. That's why I say I'm going to do mine after the video, because you want to take your time with this. Kind of trim it up, and you should have something like this. And then once you're done trimming, I usually take some screws, some hardware, poke it through. It works just fine. You'll have your holes all set up. Too Steezy, one love. I hope this helped, guys.